Today is April 9th and we'll be doing the chart analysis of Nifty and Banknifty. So when we talk about Nifty, let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, so this is what the overall chart looks like. So here you can see that Nifty has formed a parallel channel and it has broken out of it. Okay, now we will zoom into the chart and we will see the recent price action. So Nifty has formed a good bottom around this area, 22,200. Okay, so this is a very strong bottom since it has bounced pretty sharply from there after consolidating in this area. Okay, now you can see that it has crossed this particular area of support. I mean, it has crossed above and it has crossed below. Okay, so now we will have to see. So we can say it is at the cusp of breaking out or breaking down, so somewhere in between. Okay, so we'll have to wait for a day or two. So now we'll talk about the two possibilities that can happen here. So first of all, let us talk about the bullish case. So if the market is very bullish, the crude remains under $100. In that case, we can see a climb to this level around 24,400 to 450 approximately, depending on the time it reaches. Okay, and then maybe it can correct. This is one possibility, and it can continue the downward journey until here, or we don't know how much it can be. Okay, we'll have to see. The second possibility, if the momentum is very strong, the ceasefire holds up properly, then in that case we will be able to even cross this particular resistance line. So basically this line, the lower line that you can see here, so this has been acting as a support, and now it will become a resistance since the price has broken down from it, and now it will touch that and most likely it can retrace back. Okay, if the momentum is very strong, it can even cross above and continue upwards. So we will have to see in the coming days. When it reaches here, we will see what happens. Okay, the third possibility is this one. Okay, the third possibility is it will gradually chop downwards, taking support around all the support areas and probably around this area, which is around the gap fill. So basically it will fill the gap around 22, how much, let us see, high is 23,153. Okay, so basically that is the gap area. So when it closes the gap, then it may resume the upward journey. Okay, so this is the level that needs to be watched out, but in between there are some support areas because these are a lot of gaps. There are a lot of gaps in between. So most likely it will take some support here, then fall back, fall down, take some support, go up, fall down again. So it will be a gradual chop. It will not be that straight journey to the 23153 level. Okay, so we'll have to see that one. Now those who haven't been able to take the positions, who haven't been able to buy the stocks at the rock bottom, this may be a good area. Like I have accumulated around the bottom, but I may want to add some more stocks or ETFs around this area. Okay, so that is what I am looking forward to. And if it touches here, maybe I would want to book some profits here and then wait and watch what happens. If it falls down, then I would have booked the profits from let us say from around this area I bought and around this area. So maybe I'll be booking around 8% profits. Okay, so we'll have to see how that goes in the coming days. But I've given you the support and the resistance areas. So I'll reiterate that the support area is around 23153 plus minus 25 points. The resistance area is around 24,400 plus minus 50 points depending on when it reaches. In between there are some support and resistances which are not that important, but it will just slow down the journey to 23153 in case the gap gets filled. Okay, so that is the analysis on Nifty. Now let us look at Banknifty. Okay, so we see a lot of lines here. Let me see what can be done here. Okay, so now Banknifty is also in a particular channel, in this particular channel. Okay, so it has been bouncing on and off in this channel, and recently it broke out of the channel when the war escalated a lot. Then it broke out of this channel. Okay, so this is the breakout point where it has broken out, and now when there was a ceasefire announcement, it just went up to this area of resistance. Okay, where is this area of resistance coming from? So basically we have some pivot points around this area since the price has reversed over here. Okay, and came here, again reversed, and then there is a gap here and it continued upwards. Okay, so basically this area will act as a support or a resistance depending on which side we are coming from. Okay, so we are coming from the bottom, so at this area it will face some resistance which it has already faced, and you can see that the next day the price action was lower, right? So now what can happen here, we'll have to see. Okay, so one possibility is that it comes here and bounces off to the upper end of the channel gradually. It will not happen immediately. If there is a ceasefire, if everything is good, the environment is good, then that is a possibility. If something worsens, then probably it can reverse from here, take some support, bounce off a little, and then come to this point, which is also a support area. So this support area is coming from this pivot point. Okay, so this is one pivot point, a small one, like not a major one. This is a major pivot point. Okay, so 53578 would be a good support. If it touches the channel and bounces off, then 53800 900 approximately, that would be the support. But I think this should hold up, and in case if it wants to fall, then the next support would be around this area, which is around 50,100 200 approximately. Okay, so that is the analysis on Banknifty. So what am I doing currently? So I am buying some Bank Bs. Like I already bought some around this area, around 52,000, 51,000, averaging it downwards. So I am in profit right now, but I will hold this for a longer time. I'm not going to sell it off for some quick profits and quick bucks. I'll hold it for a little bit longer because I've got it at a good bargain, at least 15-17% from the top. Okay, so this is around 18% from the top, so I may have bought it around 17 or 16% approximately. Okay, so that is my strategy on trading Banknifty. I have bought Bank Bs. So this is the Bank Bs. It tracks the Banknifty index. Okay, now let us talk about IT index. So I had been quite bullish on IT since quite a few days. So if you had seen my previous videos, then I have clearly said that I am trying to I'm thinking that it might go up, and I've also started building some positions in IT. Okay, so right now I am in profit on IT index. So what I have done is I have bought ITBs. This is the ETF of IT index. Okay, so it tracks the IT. Basically, if the IT index goes up 2%, then this will also go up 2% approximately. Okay, so if you can see here, this is 0.22% CNX IT, and ITBs is 0.32, approximately roughly about the same. Okay, so that is my strategy on trading IT index. Right now is not a good time to buy IT index because it has run up quite a bit. So you can see that it has already run up almost 13% from the very bottom. Okay, so now we have to wait for some retracement here. We cannot just keep on piling in as it goes up. So levels are very important here. Okay, so that is the analysis on CNX IT. So feel free to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.